If you want to make your own animated film, the first thing you need to do is get a good story. Write a script and storyboard it out to make sure that you have a plot that will interest an audience. And what's more important almost, if you can interest an audience, you can interest an investor, because making an animated film is obviously very, very expensive, just in terms of time alone, even if you're doing it yourself. You're obviously also going to need a lot of help. These things aren't made by one or two people. It's made by a team. So if you can get as many friends and associates as you know that can animate, pull them together, pool your resources, see who can pitch in time or a little extra manpower, if the computer time, find somebody that can draw and paint for you as well. Beg, borrow, and don't steal materials to get your thing done. If you have a dream and you have a goal, stick to it. This is an example of some storyboards, pre-planning your film shot by shot to tell a story. Planning all your cinematography, your screen direction, and this way you know what your characters are going to be doing before you start animating. It is a visual version of the script.